All right, I got loaded over here with the last load of the week. This one is Indiana down to Georgia. Pick up today, Saturday, deliver Monday. So I'll get a reset on Sunday. We wouldn't need it for the weight for that little guy, but doesn't hurt to throw an extra strap. Man, I don't get it. All these guys are bundled up. Look at that guy's in full parka and hoodie. Rest and recuperate and get all the maintenance done so that we can have another good week. This week was a pretty good week. My dispatcher did a real good job. I'm sure I'll post some numbers for the hitch total. I don't know if I'm going to break out this week or not. I might just do the hitch total. But dispatcher has been doing a real good job. I've been doing a good job keeping up with him, which is a difficult task. He's been pushing me pretty hard, but it's a good thing. It's flatbed season, it's harvest time, it's time to go, right? Harvest season. You go harvest that cash. Ow. Oh, that's not gonna get any tighter. All right, ready to sail down the road. Go get parked for the night, do a little bit of truck maintenance, kick back, relax, hopefully do laundry. Well guys, it's a maintenance day. Just got to cook up some food here, and then got to do a bunch of maintenance. This is what owner operators do for fun. They work on their trucks. So I gotta pull off all 4 wheels and put some center rings on the inside. I bought them from Love's yesterday, and I think I've got all the tools to do that. We'll find out. But that's what's on the agenda for today. I was gonna grease everything, but I don't think I'm gonna get to that. It's getting a little late. I had to run all over town to pick up like a jack and everything, and food. So anyway, fun day off. All right, truck maintenance time. I'm gonna pull these wheels, put these balancing rings on. So let's jack up the tire here. Didn't mean to quite go that far. So this back axle on this truck doesn't have a spring. I don't like that. Peterbilt did that for some of the trucks. They put just a service brake here and a set brake here. So I don't love that, but that's what it is. Oh, I kind of tell my king to pick up the sugar. The everything bar. Oh, I forgot something. I was gonna, when I get this tire back on, I'll have to. Big old tires are easy to get off in one aspect because they're one tire, but they're a lot heavier. Okay, there we go. Oh shit, no wonder. I gotta pull that off too. So when I had these rims on a different tire, we were fighting a wobble, so I weight balanced them all the way around. Okay, I think that I was worried about bearings, but I think that bearing's fine. Wait a minute. Hold on, I don't think. Yeah. All right. So We've changed tires since these were balanced, is my point. So these weights are no longer in the right spot. That could have been what was throwing me off right there. Shit. Okay. I kicked that by accident. That would have sucked. What's going on? What? Don't go out on me now. What the hell? It's weird. Why is that? I don't get it. Why does it do that sometimes? I don't get this. I charged up both batteries, but yeah. See, what in the world would make it do that? All right, let's see. Where was I? Here. here. Okay. Okay, bearing feels good. Okay. There. Should have done that on the back one. These are the same. What the hell was I thinking? Yeah, that'll work. You guys, I left my coveralls at my shop in Rock Springs, at Caleb's shop, I mean. And I really need them right now. Now this one has a brake on it, so we can probably lift it all the way up before we rattle it off. We've only got that one tire on the ground over there that's braked, but we're on flat ground, so. So this adjustment here, I don't know these Milwaukees. I would thought that maybe number 3 is stronger. I don't know. Yep, guess so. That means I need to go torque doors again. Nice to have a Milwaukee with you guys. What am I doing here? Oh man, I didn't realize these were different. I might have put it on the wrong one. Shit. If you put it on the wrong one, it still would be centered. It wouldn't matter because it still would be centered based on the hub pilot. Yeah, I guess it wouldn't matter. I'm gonna go up a little bit with that jack. Stay. Oops. Man, the time's getting away from me. I was planning to get this project done and then go to the gym. It's about 10 miles up the road and get a quick workout and a shower, but it's already past 5. I mean, I guess I still could. I wanted to get to sleep. I gotta wake up at like 2 or 3 in the morning to make my delivery on time. Maybe closer to 1 in the morning, honestly. Oops, that was a little hard. I always like to look and make sure there's no gaps on the Hub Pilot. Alright. I don't want to over torque these things. I think you could over torque them pretty easy with the impact. You really should have a torque wrench, but come on guys, I don't carry all that kind of crap. All right, that's 2 of the 4. I'm not going to record the rest, there's no reason to. Same thing.